Hello class 4th, welcome to online classes in Heritage Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class. So open your math book page number 52, exercise 7C. Question number 8. In a division, sum the dividend in 6045 and the divisor is 65. Find the quotient. Dividend 6045, divisor 65. We need to table 65. This is table of 65. 65 9s are 585, and we can't subtract 4 minus 5, so borrow 100 to tens and 10 to ones to make 14. 14 minus 5 9, and what's left? 9. 9 minus 8 1, and we write next digit 5 to make 195. 65 3s are 195, so quotient is 93. Question number B. In a division, sums the dividend is 17,750 and the quotient is 250. Find the divisor. Dividend 17,715, quotient 250. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So we need to table of 250. This is table of 250. 257s are 1750. 1750, and we can subtract 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2, and we write 2 to make 250. 251s are 250, so divisor is 71. Question number C. The product of two numbers is 26,520. If one of them is 408, find the number. Other product of two numbers is 26,520. One of them 408. The other number is 26,520 divide 408. We need to table of 408. 408 6 are 244. We can subtract 5 minus 4. 24 6 are 2,448. We can't subtract 2 minus 8, so 1 borrow tens to ones to make 12. 12 minus 8 4, and what's left? 4. 4 minus 4 0, and what's left? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 4 2, and we write next digit 408 5s are 2040. Question number 9A. A number when divided by 128 gives 72. As quotient is 45. As remainder, find the number. Product of two numbers is dividend 128 and quotient 72. Remainder 45. So formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. 128 is divisor multiply quotient is 72 plus remainder 45. We can multiply 128 multiply 72. 2 8 are 16. 6 and carry 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 1s are 2. Multiplication sign. 7 8s are 56, 7 to the 14, 14 and 5 19, 7 1 just 7 and 1 8. We add two products 6, 5 and 6 11, 9 and 2 11 and 1 12, and 1 and 8 9. 9216 plus 45 plus 9261. The number is 9261. In the sum of quotient 282, the divisor is 65 and the remainder 32. Find the dividend. Quotient is equal to 282, divisor 65 and remainder 32. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. 282 multiplies 65 plus 32. 282 multiplies 65. 5 to the 10. 5 8 the 40 and 1 41. 1 carry 4. 5 to the 10 and 4 14. Multiplication sign. 6 to the 12. 6 8 the 48 and 1 49. 6 to the 12, 12 and 4 16. We add to product 0 3, 9 and 4 13, 6 7 8 and 1. 18,330 plus 32. 18,362. Question number 10. Find the biggest number of 4 digits divisible by 38. Biggest number of 4 digits 9999 divisible by 38. We need to table of 38. 38 2 ja 76. We can subtract 9 minus 6 3 and 9 minus 7 2. We write next digit to make 239. 38 6 ja 38 1 2 3 4 5 6 228. We can subtract 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 3 minus 2 1, and we write next digit 33 3 is 114. We can subtract 9 minus 4 5. Quotient is 263 and remainder 5. The divisor leaves 5 and remainders. This means that if 9999 has 5 less, it will be divisible by 38. 9999 minus 5 is equal to 9994. Question number 10b. Find the greatest 5-digit number that is divisible by 67. Greatest 5-digit number 99999 divisible by 67. We need to table of 67. 67 1 ja 67. We can subtract 9 minus 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 6 3. We write next digit to make 329. 67 4 ja 268. We can subtract 1 12. We can't subtract 2 minus 6, so 1 borrow 100 to 10 to make 12. 12 minus 6 6. We write next digit to make 100 619. 67 9 is 603. We can subtract 9 minus 3 6, and we write 1 as it is. We write next digit 9 to make 169. 67 2 is 134. We can subtract 9 minus 4 5, 6 minus 3 3. So quotient is 1492 and remainder 35. The divisor leaves 35 as remainder, thus means that if 99,999 has 35 less, it will be divisible by 67. 99,999 minus 35 is equal to 99,964. Question number 11.1. Find the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 229. Smallest 4-digit number 1000 means 1000 divisible by 229. We need to table of 229. 229 fours are 916. So we can subtract. We can't subtract 0 minus 4. So borrow hundreds to tens and tens to ones to make 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. So quotient is 4 and remainder is 84. The divisor leaves 84 as remainder. This means that if 1000 has 84 less, it will be divisible by 229. But 916 is a 3-digit number. The next number that is divisible by 229 is 916 plus 229 is equal to 1145. The smallest 4-digit number divisible by 229 is 1145. Find the smallest number of 6-digit divisible by 308. Smallest 6-digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divisible by 318. We need to table of 318. 318 3s are 954. We can subtract. We can't subtract 0 minus 4. So 1 borrow hundreds to tens and tens to ones to make 10. 10 minus 4, 6. What's left? 9. 9 minus 5, 4. We write 0. 318 ones are 318. We can't subtract 0 minus 8. So 1 borrow tens to 1 to make 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And what's left? 5. 5 minus 1, 4. And 4 minus 3, 1. We write next digit. 318 fours are 1272. We can subtract. We can't subtract 0 minus 2. So 1 borrow tens to 1 to make 10. 10 minus 2, 8. What's left? 1. We can't subtract 1 minus 7. So 1 borrow 100 to tens to make 11. 11 minus 7, 4. And what's left? 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So quotient is 314 and remainder 114. The division leaves 148 as remainder. This means that if 1 lakh has 148 less, it will be divisible by 318. 1 lakh minus 148 is equal to 99,852. But 99,852 is a 5-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. The next number that is divisible by 318 is 99,852 plus 318 is equal to 1,170. The smallest 6-digit number divisible by 318 is 1,170. Okay students, this is your homework today. Page number 52, 7C, question number 8, 9, 10, 11. Do in your notebook. Goodbye. Have a nice day.